at Orchard Beach as a family. We're having a good time. I'm about to show you. There goes Jen. She's burned up. Ow. Shadow. What you doing? Whose phone is it?
Everybody playing cheat.
Why? Because you can't play because you got these on.
That's not why I said that though.
Why?
Because everybody at the beach, man, ain't supposed to be at work.
Uh-oh. So what you doing? Why are you here? I was crying. We out here. Some alone time.
To hang out with her tipi.
Oh
my God.
Oh, you're... She look at what this. Don't use my vlogging session to find out how burned you are.
It hurts.
Hey guys, so me and Serena are playing with some sand. I don't know what I'm doing here, but it's wet sand and it's all over my hand and all over the sheet. Well, we're gonna clean it out. We got this little fish here too. I tried to make it, but it didn't work. So
I think you have to put water in it. Water with sand.
yeah. But like when you put the water in, it gets like this. Like really sticks to your finger.
It gets muddy.
Yeah. See, it sticks all over you.
What about you, Serena? You're just helping her?
I'm about to dig this.
You about to dig that?
Yeah, me too. Look, the thing is right here. I'm almost finished digging my spoon. Yeah, the sand, if you walk in it, it's really, really hot. Like yesterday when we went, it was so hot. I got a tan. Yeah, Serena's always get a tan.
Oh my god, that's enough. No more sun for you guys. Alright. We just came from the beach and it looks like my eyes are being irritated by the sunblock on my face. So it looks like I've been crying. And you, how was your time at the beach, babe?
It was good.
What'd you
Great.
do?
I couldn't do much because I didn't have my sneakers to play basketball and I was a little upset.
You're not gonna bring your sneakers, babe. How you not gonna bring your sneakers?
I forget.
How about you girls? How was your day in the beach?
It was so amazing.
Really?
Yeah.
Lala, how about you?
Oh, she finna dead.
Lala, how about you, Lala? What did you do at the beach?
She finna dead.
She finna dead.
Yeah, she finna dead.
In the day.
How was your day at the beach?
All I eat was
This man's right here.
finna day.
We're like, oh, we're going to the beach. Yes, to the beach it is, right? Summer's here. Now we're like, we just came from the beach. Right, babe? We just
I
came
just
from
want
the
to take
beach.
a shower.
Why we sound so miserable?
burnt.
Push it down.
So guys, right now we are gonna go to the doctor's.
Right.
Right after the beach.
That's what we
We're gonna
do.
go home.
Take a
Wash our
good
hair.
shower, wash our hair.
Yup.
Yeah.
Careful with
Only us will leave the beach to go straight to
the doctor's.
the doctor's office for a physical. What are you doing? What? Why don't you let the nurse come and do it herself?
No.
No, that's not even how you do it. Put your elbows down. Why do you need two hands? Take one hand down. No, the other hand, take it down. Now you can see it at the bottom. You see it at the line?
Where? I'm 155.
Lala, how many feet? What do you go to school for?
Hold on, this-
Lala,
this
you
is
cannot
lying. This is lying.
pretend that you're lower.
No, this is
You
lying.
have to
This is
be
lying.
straight up.
This is lying.
Oh my
This is
god, this
lying.
is ridiculous.
I am not.
This is crazy. What'd you do? Did you do a test already?
Yeah.
What'd you do? Eye test?
Serena's blind.
Did you Did you?
No, I'm good. I did 2020. She did like
I did
two of them-
30.
Two of them
30,
good.
30.
There's no such thing as 30-30, Miley.
2020. 10-10.
No, I was 2020. She like got two.
So you're gonna get 3 shots. Are you okay with that?
I'm not. I would not be okay with that.
You would not be okay.
No.
I'm getting them right here.
I don't know what arm they're using, but yeah, it's gonna be kind of hurt.
So I'm getting here or up here?
What? What the hell?
I'm singing.
Sorry.
I'm singing the concert.
I'm sorry.
Why
Why did
did
you She got a first shot. I'm gonna get 3 of those. She said it hurts.
Is that bad? Is that bad?
Can't move.
Drama.
Man, I'm gonna hurt. I'm gonna
It's
hold.
Serena's turn.
I'm gonna hurt my hand. I got 3 shots. I got 1 here, and then I got 2 here, and then 1 here, and I got an HPV shot. That hurt too bad.
HPV? Hold up. They're not supposed to get that. I'm ready to scrap it out.
Excuse me. They need that.
No, HPV. What's that stand
What's
for?
HPV?
I'm lucky because I don't got out.
So you might get
But it hurts so bad.
Behind drugs. You're not even that. It just hurts a little bit.
How's she gonna say they put one in me?
And they put one in me. And there goes our daily vlog. Tune in for our next one. I'm sure we're gonna have another adventurous day really soon. Right, guys?
Yep.
The down ones.
That
The down ones.
Until next time.
Bye, the down ones.